So, out here at a job today in Conduit. So this one here, basically there's another residence down the back, and what we're doing is running in the leading cable. So, you can see here, we've got a Cat 6 cable that's running down to the granny flat that we've put in. We just put this mount this box up now for NBN. Right, and then we've got to put in this conduit. Now this wall is all over the shop. If you hear that, it's all hollow behind there. There's not many good spots that we can, listen to that. And it's bumpy and lumpy, and you can see it's all breaking apart. So we don't really screw it into the spots where it's actually good. Now, we're coming up to here, you can see for the main house, the NBN cables are going, or the conduits are there. That's because underneath this, and the road's up there, on the side of his property, but here is where the pit is. Needed a bit of local knowledge for this one, so I had to speak to a couple of neighbours and they pointed us where this was. So, got my conduit basically mounted up to this point here. And then what we're going to do now is drop it down, do some flex, bring it down underneath the head, and we'll dig down and put it into the pit. So now I'm just going to drop my leading cable through to this point, and then we'll get it down to the box, and then we'll just continue along. Okay, so I've got the leading cable down to the box here now. Check this out. Bom, bom, bom. Hidden behind the bushes. Right, so that's there, and then we're going up to here now. I know probably some of you will say, oh, that looks a bit wonky, but this part here, where it does look wonky, I can't put anything in there. As soon as I do, it'll just crack all that and it'll just all break. So the client knows about it. He's not too fussed about it. Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna really hide my conduit here behind the bush. Right, and then that's it. Now I've got to get into the pit. Fun times. Alright, Scotchy's on. Close the box up. Bing bong. There you go. Alright, so I've got it now popping down through here, popping out here. Now this pit is all collapsed. There is actually no pit, not that I can find. It's been an old asbestos one or something like that. They've just got a lid. So I'm just going to leave this in here because basically NBN can get that in there for me. I'm just using that flex, so if they want to put a bit of their own conduit on there, they can. But that's up to them. I've got it to here because they didn't want to do this job at all. I'll lighten up. This guy's been trying to get it done for a couple of years now. So yeah, finally done for him. I'm going to chuck the cover back on. That's it. Brand new NBN service for the granny flat down the back. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. Alright, thank you very much. Goodbye.